Hello, and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. The Ethereum chart has indeed now reached the next ideal target. I mean, if you follow the work, if you followed the previous updates, then you know that the idea was for Ethereum to reach the $3,210 level. Well, at least $3,165. I mean, that was the first, well, that was the idea really, right? That was the idea that we could get there. And what can I say? We are there now. And the first ideal target has been reached. Basically, 3,165 to 3,210 was mentioned in the previous updates. Yeah. So, however, does that mean that a top is in? No, because this was kind of the first, let's say, the minimum target area here for wave C. Quick reminder for those of you who are not following the videos regularly. Idea was already a couple of weeks ago on Friday the 21st that we should be on our way to that 38.2 retracement in an A, B, C structure. And hey, what can I say? It's played out beautifully. We have an A wave in 3 waves, B wave in 3 waves, price held, textbook support, the 78.6 retracement. And so this C wave also looks like a full 5-wave move. Now, okay, so does it mean we have topped? No, there is only a top when we have a break of momentum, of course. So the first level I'm watching now is 3,134. So any break below it could be an early signal that we have topped, an early signal, just an initial momentum break really. But we should also consider that Bitcoin has not really formed a healthy 5th wave. I'm talking about the internal structure. So Bitcoin might still need to push a little higher, which means Ethereum could potentially extend. That is why we need to understand the next resistances. We've got 3,338 and 3,352 as next upside levels to watch. And we shouldn't ignore that the price could easily test the upper boundary line of our trend channel. So to be very clear, the momentum is still up. I would not be surprised about upside extensions. We really only just reached the first ideal targets. I'm happy about it. You know, it's done what it needed to do. Support should be clearly defined. I'm also going to remove the lower section of our resistance area. We don't need it. And we are still not at the upper boundary line though. And the key trend channel that we've been watching is quite, it's visible here on the daily time frame. And so you see here the overall pattern, right? So we've been tracking this as an A, B, C structure. And the C wave is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is what we are watching here. And the 4th wave, can easily go a little higher. Normally we say for a 4th wave, the 38.2 retracement is the ideal target, but that doesn't mean it's the maximum. And so, yeah, we could get a few more upside squiggles, let's say it like that. But you also see here how important that trend channel is. We have a few touch points there at the lower boundary line and a couple at the upper boundary line. So maybe the price is aiming for that again. That's just a quick update on Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then also check out our X channel for additional charts, updates, news, exclusive videos. I'll leave a link in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.